all. Today's video will learn how to change the default shell of MacBooks. So by default, ZSH is configured in MacBooks after macOS Catalina, I think. But we have a provision where we can change the ZSH to whatever shell we want. There are actually a couple of ways of doing it. We'll explore all of them. We'll start with the CLI way of doing it. So whenever we open our terminal, so uh, we get the latest configured shell or whatever we have configured latest. So by default, it's bash now, as you can see on the top. Uh, but if you want to change it to some other shells, we can do it. I'll show in a bit how to do that. Uh, we can hit this command to check the list of shells which are available for us so that we can switch to any one of them. So as of now, as we can see, it is bash. So if I want to change it to ZSH, so I'll do and I'll copy this path, paste it over here, hit enter, and then it will ask me for system password, which I have entered. And then just exit the terminal and then open a fresh terminal. So in the fresh terminal, you can see on the top that now the default shell which is configured is ZSH. We can again revert back to bash. So suppose if you want to change from ZSH to bash, which we originally wanted to do, so we can do that. Again, we can list out all the shells like this. Then we can copy the path. And then we can paste the path over here. And then we just have to enter the system password. Okay, we are good. And we open a new terminal like this. You can see that now it's bash. We can also check it using this command, echo $sh. So it will give us the shell which is configured into our system. This is one way of doing it. There is other way of doing it also. For that, we'll have to go to system preferences, and then inside system preferences we'll have to go to users and groups. In users and groups, we'll click on advanced settings. For here, we'll have to uh, write the username and password of the admin user. Okay, and now we can see that it is giving us the option to change the shell from this drop down. So as we configured bash from the CLI, that's why it is coming /bin/bash by default here, but we can change to whatever we want. We want to change to ZSH. We'll click over here, then OK, and then we are good. We can open a fresh terminal, and we can see that now ZSH is the default shell which is configured. So these are the two ways of doing it. I hope you like this video. Thank you.